Oi, अरे यार, look at how messed up this rain is. Another day and another ride. A wild ride. What? What is happening? Why are people getting out of their parkings? It is outrageous. I like those kind of moto vloggers that get pissed at literally everything on the road. I mean, I do understand that. I also used to be like that once upon a time. हॅलो हां 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 चालेल मारतो होय होय लगेच मारतो. My dad wants a recharge.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, recharge done. Yeah, another Aether brother. Let's go. For those wondering why I'm suddenly on an Aether.
क्या हो गया तुम्हें?
Well, I've kept my bike for service and I had this scooter with me, so I thought क्यों नहीं एक short ride पे जाया जाए. मतलब short ride as in I've got work. काम धंधा है मेरे को, ठीक है. मतलब I'm getting some work done on my motorcycle. कर देंगे रिवील थोड़े दिनों बाद, बट उसके लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. My bike is actually not at service. I'm just getting some work done, you know. ऐसा एक चीज़ में क्या होना, मैं बिजी हो गया. तो वो क्या है वो थोड़े दिन में आप लोग को पता चल जाएगा. But anyway, I got an opportunity to get to ride this. So I was like, अरे नेकी और पूछ सरसर आते हुए जाती है देख. Of course, I'm in ride mode right now, which is why it is not as powerful. And all of the possible potholes have gone. Completely gone. It's a fully concrete runway now. So, yeah, can't really do much about it now. And look at this. No brakes. क्या मस्त स्लो किया रे गाड़ी. That's magic twist by the way, if you don't know. Technology, yeah. Today, thankfully, the rain is not preying on me right now. But कोई बोल नहीं सकते भाई. Any moment it may change. But look at the improvements in roads. भाई रमेश पकांचरण will be missed. थोड़े बहुत सुराख है उसमें, जैसे at that junction you must have seen कि था अच्छा खासा, मतलब थोड़ी सी श्रद्धांजलि दे रखी है भाई. अपना भी कोलैबोरेशन कुछ मायने रखता है ना BMC के साथ, ऐसे थोड़ी जाने देंगे भाई. I had a special reservation quota for those are the OG रमेश पकांचरण, so those will never go. और बाकी बीच में ऐसा खोदते बैठेंगे उसका कुछ टेंशन नहीं है. BMC has us covered. Oh बाप रे, look at that SUV. Holy such a huge thing, man. That's what she said. The learning curve on this Magic Twist is not that steep, huh? It's like you very easily get used to it. Like, it's been what, some 2 days of me riding this, and I've gotten like completely used to it. Like, it's become second nature now for me. Oh damn, look at that. So this is one of the EVs that I'm excited looking at. Look at the form. I mean, it's so damn interesting looking, na? So futuristic. Look at that. Very nice. See these are the kind of EVs that I'm excited about. This firstly is this V6, then there's the Hyundai Ioniq. It started raining. God damn. देखा मैं बोला. I actually thought to myself, I did not say it out loud, but I was thinking to myself that the rain will wait till I lose all possible shelter over my head. जब तक मैं पेड़ों के नीचे था, flyovers के नीचे था, तब तक ठीक था, कोई टेंशन नहीं. And suddenly the weather has changed. So what was I saying? I was saying कि I get excited about these EVs. I know a lot of you guys, a lot of the audience don't like EVs, but EVs like this, the Aether, then there's the Ultraviolet, then the Hyundai Ioniq, Tesla is like the most exciting EV for me, at least. And it is 14th of July, and tomorrow Tesla is going to launch in India, and I am invited for that event, so I am going to go and witness it. So I'm very, very excited for that. But what I'm saying is I am excited about these kind of EVs that, you know, are a bit fun, also practical at the same time. And this thing, so you've seen it flicking around in the traffic, right? I mean, it's such a nice pocket rocket. It squeezes through tight spaces, zooms past vehicles, and doesn't sweat at all. Yay! Wow, that was unnecessary. Blessings, showers of blessings. Now it won't rain because I very evidently have a shelter, right? I can just hide underneath this flyover. Huh? हाँ. आप भी देखोगे इसमें. See, now I've come out of the shelter zone. Now it will start raining. See? Look at this. Look at how messed up this rain is. It comes to f with you, man. Up to there's no way for me to run anywhere. Wait, अरे यार, shit, बेचारा रे बेचारा. Ah no. I'm holding it the wrong way. There you go. बैठ जाओ उसके ऊपर बैठ जाओ. Yeah, man, that's true. I mean, I know he's doing it out of need, but this is just unnecessary, man. All of this वजन. वो स्टैंड पे लगा लो ना. साइड स्टैंड नहीं है. इतना वजन मत लोड करो भाई. कौन है सेठ? गलत है यार इतना. आपकी तो गलती है नहीं, वो सेठ जो बोलेगा वो करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलो ख्याल रखो. Such a sorry state of affairs, man. Well, it's partially his fault as well, where he's trying to squeeze through spaces that are difficult and tricky. Or maybe there's a delivery deadline as well. You never know. It's very tricky with these delivery people, man. Which is why, you know, that mishap happened with me. I do realize that that guy must be bluffing as well. There's a possibility of that happening too. But even then, the fact that he was a delivery guy is why I just let him be, man. Maybe he must be having a deadline or needing to reach somewhere. Hey, off-road. A little bit of ruins of Ramesh Pakancharan. And the amount of tech, oh my god, look at that Hilux. Man, nothing can beat that. He did. Used his hands like those racing wala na, those starters of the races. क्या बोलते हैं, ले लेनी चाहिए क्या ऐसी एक स्कूटर? I mean, of course I love the GT to death, but when I'm coming from there on this seems like a toy, and because it's not making any noise, it literally feels like a toy. Hello. And honestly, there's not much to worry about. Something like an Ather compared to, you know, other vehicles, you know other vehicles in the market, other EVs in the market. Ather has this peace of mind, you know. Firstly, you get 60% of resale value. It has that buyback assurance. I'm getting a call by someone. Let's see, I'll pull over on the side and check.
So while rider Anurag speaks on the phone, let me quickly talk about our video sponsor Ather and their program, the Ather Advantage. A lot of people still have concerns regarding Ather or EVs in general. Like, what happens to resale? Turns out, Ather actually offers buyback after 3 years, with up to 60% of the value assured. That definitely gives you some peace of mind in the long run. Then there's the range anxiety bit, and I have that too. But with over 4,300 plus fast chargers around the country, and the fact that you get up to 15 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes of charge, it's honestly not that stressful. And this number of chargers isn't just on paper. There are chargers everywhere, and you'll find them around the corner from wherever you are. You can actually check it out on their app or on the website. I have used the fast charger this time around too, and that's pretty doable. Almost like a coffee break. Similarly, many are worried about the battery and its health over time. Replacements are expensive. Most EV brands and even legacy players give you just a basic 5-year warranty without even promising the health of the battery. Ather is the only brand that offers warranty on deep discharge. No other brand has ever done that. But Ather gives an 8-year warranty and a guarantee of at least 70% of battery health over that time. And that really helped me stop overthinking it. And if anything else goes wrong or needs to get checked out, they've got 350 plus service centers now, and some even in smaller cities. Nothing over the top, just convenient when you need it. So yeah, I'm not saying EVs are perfect. But with stuff like this that Ather has covered, it's starting to feel like a pretty practical option. And now, back to the video.
Later that same evening.
Hey, naughty boy. You can't really do much, so it's okay. भाई मुंबई मानसून ही एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे you will get the feel of every season out there. There's heat as good as summer, then there's rains. Actually दो ही seasons. ठंड कब रहती है पता है? Once you are early in the morning, if you wake up and your fan is running at full speed, that's when you start feeling cold. Every time I wake up in the morning to switch off my fan. I want to go to the Oberoi Mall. This is quite nice. Oh my god, look at how dark it has gotten. Oh, it has started to rain now. I better make it to the other side sooner. थोड़ा सा मेरे को एक दो चीज़ें लेने का है, इसलिए I've come to the Oberoi Mall. अरे यार इधर एक इशू है बस of having a scooter. You have to stop and get your boot checked. इलेक्ट्रिक है ना? थैंक यू. चलो क्या हो गया भाई? अरे फ्लेक्स होते तो इसको बोलते भाई. Smooth operator. But I like the sound of this, and it's actual sound, huh? It's the real sound of the belt that makes it. Sounds very futuristic. स्कूटर के लिए कम रहता है क्या? नहीं उतना ही कम रहना चाहिए ना.
Who are you?
Thank you. ठीक है,
आपका सही है.
मेरा सही है ना? हमेशा सही रहता है.
Bonus.
Yeah. I knew that there is this pot bump somewhere, and because of the bus, I couldn't judge it.
लो सुना क्या? ये भी मेरी गलती है.
My bad.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.